Hello and welcome back to a new episode on Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing well, and today's recipe is a meat tagine. It is made with onions and almonds, and here is what we will need. You can use up to 1 kilo of meat for this recipe. Here I have some saffron threads. I also have 2 sliced onions, garlic cloves, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Add salt to taste and a 1/4 spoon of paprika. I am using a mix of vegetable oil and traditional oil. I also have 1 liter of water for cooking. We will cook everything over medium heat in this pot. First, we start with the base ingredients. Add the onions like this. Now I add the spices and seasoning. I also add a small amount of saffron threads. You can skip it if you do not have it. This tagine is very delicious and easy to make. Meat is affordable now, so everyone can prepare it. Add the meat to the pot. Stir well so the meat absorbs all the spices. Let it cook and brown slightly. Turn the meat so it browns evenly on all sides. Now it is time to add the water. Add 1 liter of water. Cover the pot and let it cook for 45 minutes on medium heat. The sauce is ready and the meat is tender. Leave a little sauce for serving. Take a ladle. Keep only a small amount of sauce. Pour the sauce over the meat and prepare the fried almonds. Now we move to the serving plate. Here is the final result. Arrange everything nicely on the plate. Like this. The onions are perfectly caramelized and look amazing. Add the fried almonds. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications. See you in the next video.